Alright guys, we're now moving back to the camp.
But here now is
Asian Town,
because of metro.
King's
Yeah.
Dintal. Alright.
I only ride one time in the metro. That's why I'm not so familiar with the metro station.
You have to go next time. Okay. Next Friday, we'll try. Okay?
Next Friday we try metro.
Okay. Because we're going to
So next Friday
somewhere
we will go to this
down the road. Pare, we are going to somewhere, ha? Only strolling. Mansura Plaza. Right, guys, we are going back
If they give us the
to
certificate,
industrial area.
we go okay, Royal.
Yeah,
If we get certificate, we go to this Swan Global.
you can apply here. But because me, I'm finishing my 2 years.
Bro, we go check if they can give you
Visa.
visa. You take.
Yeah,
right.
You go. Yeah, easy.
If they cannot, then alright. No need. Uy,
But you
now,
know,
too much people here.
But you know, if you,
Friday,
yeah, if
but
you make
today we have
This
if
area
you make
near
a
to the
decision to apply,
sea.
because if
This
the
sea.
moment you
It's
want to
near,
apply,
and what
there is
then?
the available
Yeah, this is
position.
Cornets.
You need to
Oh my
pay
god, very
down
nice.
payment.
Long time, bro, I did not go
You
there.
have to pay down payment.
I want to enjoy also.
You know, priority.
I want to enjoy
Those not
explore
paying down payment.
Qatar. That's why now I'm vlogging. Do you
this
know?
one is
This is my mobile that I'm using for vlog. Mukbang.
It will.
Yeah,
they will
I'm
ask
eating
you-
Indian
they
food,
will ask you
Filipino.
Filipino.
Yeah, any kind of food I'm eating.
Skills. Whatever available, if you are willing.
But
to
I'm not
work
a
with
big
a big
YouTuber.
job, you
Only
like to-
small starting.
Then from the
Some of
time
my
you're
friends
there,
also
the
are
time
from
you look
India.
for this.
Yeah, there are also, you know, cooking.
My friend is-
Yeah, I'm watching
Yeah,
cooking.
from this,
Oh, bro, thank you for sharing this video. Now I'm learning this how to cook Indian food.
yeah. This one I know. This one here.
Traditional Indian food cooking. I love it.
Swan Global. Here in Qatar, not outside.
This is long time building. Oh, the bus is still here. Holidays Villa.
That's why I'm telling you.
It's the
When
Holidays Villa,
Roel
guys.
posted in the book. Yes, remember.
Where we go?
Yeah.
Where do we
This
go?
one is good if you can get here. At least
Even
you
this
want-
Manolito, no? Manolito, we can ask also Manolito so that we can have additional experience.
Yeah, you can work maybe 6 months.
We can
1
ask.
year, then you can go outside.
Yeah, we can ask to Mr. Manolito so
Even
that he can.
Manolito will just provide us transportation, or sometimes we will give just a small amount of money. No
Small
problem.
amount of money for
Just for
transportation.
additional experience.
Yeah. Experience is the best teacher, bro.
Yeah.
So we need na experienced teacher. Mr. Pahad, you can go with the, you know, like I'm posted in the group. You can apply there because you're
Bad thing of
how many years you've been work here,
not giving
Mr. Pahad?
But
Ah.
now you go if you go to Ministry of Labor. If you get job with
Yeah.
operator,
Do you know Mr. Fahad?
Some was doing like that, some Philippines doing like that, but
Mr. Fahad.
they go home, they
then come back. Yeah.
Okay. You know what happened
can transfer.
after the pandemic and this you know happened. We are now exploring the highway in Qatar, guys. There are some traffic lights, but most of the time, most of all, there is no traffic, guys.
Only much.
These things.
So now I have the experience for
At least
I 100% if I go home, I will buy the machine.
Yeah, bro. And also your welding.
No need to go to welding shop.
Yeah.
Because
No.
I have also vehicle.
Bro,
Every time need welding.
Bro, today we will explore in the, you know, Saudi. They are selling one machine, welding machine.
Saudi?
Yeah, we'll check.
But for now we don't have.
No, we will check.
Ulus.
We will check only.
The price,
No
We'll check the
problem.
price.
They are always having the promo.
the
Yeah.
But not Saudi program, only Saudi and Normal, they don't have this hardware part.
Yes.
Machinery. No.
We will check only because I'm going to buy also when I go home.
I will buy the.
I'm going home
Yeah, in Sana'i,
to the place where I belong.
That one, yeah.
that
That area, that area.
That area you can get.
Bro, yung the shoes of Mr. Boy is good. I like that one. Rubber safety shoes. It's a dual purpose. Gusto kong bumili ng bro,
Alin?
yung kay Mr. Boy. Pag bili tayo.
Alin bro?
Yung
Sapatos,
oo.
safety shoes?
Oo. Gusto ko yun, bro.
Oh.
Very nice road in Qatar. My friends from Philippines, they can watch this and they might say, "Oh my God, I love this country. Safest country, no traffic anymore." Bro, nakuha namin yung ID sa MOI.
Oh. Matik na.
Ayos na. Madali lang.
5 years.
3 years lang?
3 years.
Oo. Security license. Uy, Duha Mall. That is the Duha Mall. See?
That is
Duha Mall. It's a new, New establishment.
New one, I think.
New one. Yeah, it's new.
Since
Pare, there's a Duha Mall.
end of last year.
Safari here, and this one is Ansar.
Yeah, Ansar ka
Short tunnel. Qatar. 8 minutes running. Approximately will arrive there by we consume up to 15 minutes, no? 15 minutes. Now it's a minute. May pang-upload na naman ako, bro. May pang-upload na naman ako.
Matik na.
We also made.
Yeah, this
If you check
Ansar Gallery always. Ansar Gallery always having a promo.
Yeah, having a promo this Ansar Gallery. The longest mall in Qatar. Correct? But I like Safari Mall. You know? Everyday selling. Still promo. That one is Safari over there. Safari in the middle. Yeah, between of the two mall. Behind. Okay. 9 minutes. If I have a car, pare, I will travel in Qatar. Rounding.
Yeah, new bus. Already start. There are like 6.
Rounding in Qatar. But you know, in Qatar, if your position is supervisor, you can do driving, correct?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Supervisor, right?
Yeah, I'm not a supervisor. Before I was a supervisor in Taisir.
Okay.
Now, ordinary. But maybe I can ask also our company to change my position.
Profession.
Only profession.
Okay. Yeah,
Okay, I'm a security, yeah.
You can from the.
Yeah. I will give.
Yeah.
I will give money and I
Only
will ask,
300 real.
yeah, sir, can you change my profession because
You can, no problem.
yeah, I will make a letter, proper letter request because I don't want to leave Qatar. Qatar is number one for me. And as if,
How is the Qatar? Good?
yeah, good Qatar. That's why I come back.
Only new. You already come back here.
Yeah, I work here before in Taisir for 10 years.
10 years.
Yeah.
Good.
Good. But
Come back for another company.
yeah, come back for another company. But still security. Now we are studying. We're studying training.
Training.
We came from the training center.
From where?
Welding.
There is
Yeah, that area.
okay.
Welding.
But the bad things here.
Welding, driving, mechanic,
Okay.
Hot season.
auto.
Really, it's outside.
11 minutes.
Work with time from this.
See, 11 minutes. Bro, saan tayo ngayon? Bro,
Bro,
saan tayo?
sa Grand Mall.
Grand Mall? Hindi na tayo magano? Halahala?
Ano, halahala?
Sa susunod na lang.
Maghalahala o maghalo-halo?
Wala man halo-halo dyan. Pero wag na tayo ano, abot pa naman tayo sa sa dinner.
Mayroon halo-halo sa kuwan.
Mayroon?
Yan sa Rotana mayroon.
Uy,
May ano dyan, shake na.
ay hindi yun halo-halo. Saan na tayo kasi di ba magano tayo ni ni Daniel Taya.
Mati.
Ayos yung ating road trip na ngayon, bro. Lalagyan ko na naman ng sound to. Nakakadami rin ako bro ng ng tawag nito.
Ano bro?
Nakakadami rin ako ng tawag dito ng video eh. Maghalahala na naman tayo o wala naman akong pang-upload bro. Bro,
Ay,
wala akong pang-upload na naman. Halo?
yan na eh.
Ano tayo? Punta tayo doon?
Saan tayo?
Doon tayo sa halahala?
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 Halahala, halahalo.
Halahala o ano? Bro,
Ikaw, ano?
maghalo-halo na. Halo-halo. Halahala, Tagdusi. Tagdusi yun o.
Oh.
Halahala na tayo.
Tracy.
3C o, halahala na tayo. Bro, minsan lang ito mangyari kasi natin, graduation natin eh. Bro,
Hindi naman, wala naman tayo sigarilyo eh.
wala man tayo. Yan naman ang vision natin.
Kain na lang natin yung sigarilyo natin. Kainin na lang natin sigarilyo.
Kung dati yung aking in-order ay isda, ngayon manok naman sa akin bro.
Nangangati.
Ikaw,
Isda ako.
isda ka lang talaga.
Nangangati ka sa ano?
China oil. See, 15 minutes. My estimation is almost 15 minutes. We reached the Grand Mall. Sabi bro ng ano ng mga friend ko, sabi niya ayos yung usapan yung dalawa, puro mga future Nice ang banding yung dalawa. Sabi ko ay kaibigan ko yan, sabi ko. Taga Bisaya yan, sabi niya. Okay, para shout out naman sa kababayan ko. Kabayan mo bro.
Sos.
Magbasa ka dun sa ano, yung in-upload ko yung ano natin. Hindi ko na-share no.
Hindi.
Sabi niya isa ano mo pa regards sa ano kabayan ko. Matik na. We are already here in Grand Mall. Arrive at Grand Mall Industrial Area. Right guys.
Yeah, just look for the parking there.
Just only here?
You can?
Yeah.